Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Looking to turn that little patch of grass into a vegetable haven? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of raised bed gardening. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, I'm going to guide you through 12 easy-peasy vegetables that are practically begging to be grown in those lovely raised beds of yours. We're talking vibrant lettuces, plump tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, the lot. Get ready for some serious veggie action. So grab yourself a cuppa, get comfy, and let's get this gardening party started. First up, we've got the king of quick greens lettuce. This leafy legend is a must-have for any beginner gardener. Not only is it super easy to grow, but it also absolutely thrives in the cozy confines of a raised bed. Plus, lettuce comes in a dazzling array of varieties, so you can create the salad of your dreams without even leaving your backyard. Just make sure it gets plenty of sunshine and water, and you'll be rewarded with a constant supply of crisp, fresh leaves. Trust me, once you've tasted homegrown lettuce, you'll never go back to those sad supermarket bags again. Instead of planting all your lettuce seeds at once, try sowing a few every couple of weeks. That way, you'll have a continuous harvest throughout the growing season. Next up, we're talking spinach, Popeye's favorite powerhouse. This leafy green is packed with nutrients and bursting with flavor. And guess what? It absolutely loves hanging out in raised beds. Spinach is another one of those super speedy growers, so you'll be enjoying its goodness in no time. Spinach prefers cooler temperatures, so it's a great crop to grow in the spring or fall. Just make sure it's got some shade during the hottest part of the day, and it'll reward you with an abundance of delicious leaves. Now, for all you impatient gardeners out there, let me introduce you to the radish, the king of quick crops. These little beauties can go from seed to plate in just a few weeks. Radishes are also incredibly easy to grow, especially in raised beds. They love loose, well-drained soil, and they're not too fussy about sunshine. Just scatter some seeds, water them regularly, and watch them go. They add a lovely peppery bite to salads, sandwiches, and even soups. Next on our list of raised bed superstars are carrots. These crunchy delights just love the loose, airy soil that raised beds provide, making them the perfect place to grow these buried treasures. There's nothing quite like pulling up a plump, juicy carrot that you've grown yourself. Carrots come in all shapes and sizes, from classic orange to vibrant purple, and even sunshine yellow. Now, let's talk about beets, the jewels of the garden. These vibrant root vegetables are not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. Beets love loose, well-drained soil and a bit of sunshine. Just give them what they need, and they'll reward you with a bountiful harvest of sweet, earthy roots. You can eat the entire beetroot stems and leaves. Get ready for some vertical gardening action, because next up, we've got green beans. These climbing wonders are perfect for making the most of the space in your raised beds. Just give them a trellis or some canes to climb on, and they'll happily grow upwards, leaving plenty of room for other veggies. Green beans are also incredibly productive, so you'll be swimming in these crunchy pods in no time. And here's a bonus. Green beans are nitrogen fixers, improving the soil for other vegetables. Next up, we've got peas. Those little green pods of pure deliciousness. These little guys are another great choice for raised beds. Just give them some support to climb on, and they'll do the rest. Peas are a cool season crop, best grown in the spring or fall. They're packed with nutrients, making them a healthy and delicious addition to any meal. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite red or yellow or orange or purple fruit, the mighty tomato. Tomatoes love the warm, well-drained soil of raised beds. Tomatoes can be a bit more high maintenance, but the reward is well worth the effort. To keep your tomato plants happy, make sure they get plenty of sunshine, water, and support. You'll also need to fertilize them regularly to keep them growing strong. Next on our list of raised bed superstars are cucumbers. These refreshing veggies love to sprawl, so giving them a raised bed with plenty of space to roam is like giving them a 5-star hotel. Just make sure they get plenty of sunshine and water, and they'll reward you with an abundance of crisp, juicy fruits. Try growing your cucumbers vertically to save space and prevent rotting. Get ready for a bumper crop, because next up, we've got zucchini, the vegetable that just keeps on giving. Zucchini plants are pretty easy to care for. Just make sure they get plenty of sunshine and water. And the best part is, zucchini is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can grill it, sauté it, stuff it, bake it into bread. The possibilities are endless. Next on our list of easy-to-grow veggies are bell peppers. These colorful characters love the warm, sunny environment of a raised bed. Bell peppers come in a rainbow of colors, from classic green to vibrant red, orange, yellow, and even purple. Just like tomatoes, bell peppers need plenty of sunshine and warmth to thrive. Last but not least, we've got onions, the humble bulb that's essential in countless recipes. Onions are surprisingly easy to grow in raised beds, and they're a great way to make the most of your space. You can start onions from seeds, sets, or transplants. Onions prefer loose, well-drained soil and plenty of sunshine. They're also relatively drought-tolerant, so you don't need to water them as often as some of the other veggies on our list. So there you have it, 12 easy-peasy vegetables that are perfect for growing in raised beds. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these veggies are sure to give you a bountiful harvest and a whole lot of satisfaction. What will you be planting in your very own raised bed garden of Eden? Let me know in the comments below. Happy gardening, everyone.